Hello, in this video we are showing about the Rinnai gas water heaters. This model it is the small capacities. You can use it very well at home, and it is a lower gas consumption, and it also the cell space model. So this video we are going to show more about the component of this Rinnai gas water heaters. And this is the small model one, but it also a good use. It is larger long service life. If you check it properly with the maintenance. So for more detail, we are showing a lot about the spare part and the components. We want to share what is the component of the Rinnai for this model, so you can check for more detail in the video. It is a very good reuse that we are bring the component inside to show you, and we also attach the explanation about the service maintenance.